Hello, good evening students. In yesterday's class we have completed transformer. Next part we have to go for model number 3B, that consists of some theoretical concepts, very interesting. So first one we have to see electrical wiring. What do you mean by electrical wiring and types of electrical wiring? So where you are observing electrical wiring, the electrical wiring is observed in residences, in industries. These electrical wirings are used to utilize the electricity in house or to distribute the electricity for consumers. Electrical wiring is done. It consists mainly electrical wires and switches and some PVC pipes connecting to electrical appliances from the electrical source, where you are taking from the connections from pole to house. So electrical wires are used or connecting from house to poles are referred as service wires. These are used normally two wires, one is phase, one is neutral. Now you show there, you see typical house wiring diagram is as shown in figure. Now you observe from the connection poles to energy meter. Poles to energy meter wires are referred as service wires. We are using for single phase consumers two wires, one is phase wire, one is neutral wire. Aside from the energy meter, there is a meter board. It consists meter board. So it may be consist in olden days fuses. Now fuses have been replaced by MCBs. What is the function of fuse? It controls the load in the house within rating. Within their rating, what is the amount of load they have sanctioned. If anything short circuit happens or overload condition occurs due to very high load current, this fuse wire going to melt and protect the electrical appliances further damage from electrical supply. The fuses are wires, copper wires or aluminum wires in olden days. Now as in new modern, we are replacing fuse by MCB. Same function, miniature circuit breakers are there. Then this energy meter is kept aside the building, where meter reader comes and reads the how much units consumed by the house. As per this meter reading, number of units consumed by the consumer, meter reader gives the bill, electricity bill. It depends upon number of units consumed, and as per the tariff rate, rupees 2 per kilowatt hour or per unit. So this makes the energy billing system, that it measures the energy consumed by the consumer. After the meter board, the wiring is done to one phase wire, one neutral wire. So you see there all electrical loads, fan is there, lamp is there, mixture is there. One neutral wire is given, one phase wire is given, one neutral connection is given, one phase connection is given through the switches. If switch is on, switch means it is a contact. When switch on, it is going to contact. The circuit becomes closed condition, lamp is on. When the switch is off, hence it creates a open circuit. There is no flow of current, hence lamp is off. Hence the electrical wiring is done in residence, in industries or in agriculture to utilize the electricity for different applications. In house, we have to utilize for domestic applications. It may be lighting, it may be some domestic applications what we are using, lighting, fans, mixtures, TV, entertainment, all these things. So the electrical wiring should provide the following factors. Number one, factor of safety. The wiring should be such that it should not allow any leakage current. First precaution, higher electrical safety. Second one, mechanical strength. Different type of wirings are required for different types of buildings. It should bear depending upon weather changing conditions. It should have sufficient mechanical strength and sufficient bearing capacity with changing of weathers. Third factor is very important, appearance. Wiring should not disturb the architecture of the building. Hence, almost all concealed conduit wiring is now used. In earlier days, wooden type of casing capping windings are used. Those wirings are disappeared. Last one is cost. So, cost is very important for the selection of consumers. Consumers always needs less cost. Hence, the electrical wiring should be economical. So, before going to two-way control of lamp, first we have to understand what do you mean by one-way control of lamp. You see there, wiring is done from one phase wire, go to the switch, then go to the lamp, lamp is returned to neutral. It results a closed electric circuit. What is the switch? Switch is a contact. Switch is a contact. When you make on position, the circuit is going to close. OB is going to contact OA, which results a closed electric circuit. In closed electric circuit, current flows, hence the lamp is on. When it is OA position, such a position of switch is referred as off or open. In open circuit, there is no flow of electric current, hence the lamp is off. Try to understand, these things are very important. When switch is in off position, the contact in OB position. When the switch is on position, it is in OA position. Try to understand. Such a control of lamp controlled by one-way switch. So, it is referred as one-way control of lamp. Next, two-way control of lamp. The two-way control of lamp is a electrical circuit. The operation of lamp is controlled by two switches. The operation of lamp is controlled by two switches. These two switches may be placed at different locations of the building. It mainly consists switch S1 and switch S2. These are two-way switches. These are two-way switches and with lamp. The such type of electrical connections are as shown in circuit diagram. If switch S1 in OA position and switch S2 in PQ position, which results a closed electric circuit. Hence, in closed electric circuit, there is a flow of current. Hence, the lamp is on. If switch S1 in OA position, if switch S2 it changes to PR position, which results an open circuit. Hence, there is no flow of electric current. Therefore, the lamp remains in off condition. The other operating conditions with different positions of switches are as shown in operating table. Such a circuit is also referred as staircase lighting, sir, because one switch is kept at ground floor, another switch is may be kept at first floor. While going top, you can make the on by using ground floor. After going to first floor, you should not come to ground floor to switch off. From first floor only, you may change the condition of lamp. So, such type of lighting is referred as staircase lighting. Such type of electric circuits are more used in commercial lighting, where you want more than one control. It may be required in lodging, commercial lodging purpose, and bedroom lighting purposes, and big corridors in institutions or in industries, where you want to control more than one place of controls. This is the electric circuit diagram. You see there one phase wire, one neutral wire from a single phase 230 volts AC supply from phase wire to switch S1, and there is a contact between A to Q, B to R. Then another switch position of S2 goes to the lamp, one point of lamp, then lamp is returned to neutral point. This is results, a closed condition of result. You are having laboratory experiment also, same circuit is worked out, sir. Try to understand. These two switches are two-way switches. These two switches are consisting 3 points. O is center point, A is top point, B is top point. These switches may be operate in two condition, OA one condition, OB two condition. For both operation, O is common point, OA, OB. It may operate in two position, hence it is referred as two-way switch. This is already explained, but in the examination you have to write the circuit diagram. After that you have to write the operating table. Switch S1 position OA, switch S2 PQ position, condition of lamp is on. Similarly, switch S1 position OA, switch S2 position PR, lamp is off. There are 4 possibilities of conditions: OA, OA, PQ, PR, OB, OB, PQ, PR. Remember, 4 possibilities are there. Where circuit is closed, lamp is on. Where circuit is open, lamp is off. In similar fashion, three-way control of lamps are the same manner. The operation of lamp is controlled by 3 switches. Such a electric circuit is as shown in figure. It comprises 2 switches, S1, S2, and one more third switch. It is referred as IR, intermediate switch. This intermediate switch has 6 terminals. It can be connected in 2 possibilities. One is known as a straight connection. The points 1 to 2 connected and 3 and 4 are connected, which results in straight condition. It is referred as straight position. Another possibility, we can connect point number 1 to 4 and 2 to 3, which results a cross connection. Such a connection is referred as cross connected. So, with the intermediate switch position in straight, switch S1 in OA position, switch S2 in PQ condition, which results a closed electric circuit. Hence, again there is a flow of current, the lamp is on. Hence, there are 8 possibilities are there. 4 possibilities are in straight connection, 4 possibilities are in cross connection. In cross connection, it is complementary results of straight. That means where the lamp remains on in straight condition, same result is in complementary, that is opposite. It is electric circuit for 3-way control of lamp. Same thing of the 2-way control, but one more switch is inserted between 2 switches. It is known as intermediate switch, and switch S1, switch S2 and a lamp. So, there are 3 switches. The operation of lamp is controlled by S1, IS and S2, that is 3 switches. Hence, the name is referred as 3-way control of lamp. So, now the connections of intermediate switch are 1 or 2 are connected, between 1, 2 and 3 or 4 connected, which results a straight connection. Sir, if cross connection means we have to remove connections 1 and 2, 1 is given to 4, 1 is given to 4 and 2 is connected to 3, 2 is connected to 3, which results into, that is cross mark. Such a connection is called as cross connections. Hence, we are getting first 4 conditions which are similar to two-way control of lamp. You write in the operating table first 4 conditions same. Next 4 conditions will change, that is in cross connections, that those are opposite to straight connections, that is where lamp is on, then in cross connection it is going to off. Another 4 conditions. Hence, if it comes in the examination, you have to draw circuit diagram, you have to draw working table with a little bit explanation, but these two are having in practical. You have to verify the result. This table is known as operating table. It is also referred as working table, sir. First you write intermediate switch position, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 are connected, sir. S1 OA, S2 PQ. It is similar to first 4 conditions of two-way only. OA, PQ, lamp is on. But next 4 conditions, see there. In cross connection, terminals 1 and 4 connected, sir. Terminals 2 and 3 connected, which results a cross connection. Now at this condition, switch S1 is OA, switch S2 is PQ position, lamp is off. It is opposite to straight connection. Getting the idea? We are getting another 4 conditions. Try to remember, sir. The same thing you have to go through in theory, in experiments. You are having one experiment, two-way control, three-way control of lamp. Try to understand. Today only I am sending. Whenever time is there, you work out. It is helpful for theory as well as practical. Thank you to one and all.